Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and if you've got a few quid to throw around on Amazon this Prime Day, well, before you do that, make sure you've got the tools in order to make sure you got the best deals. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, in all seriousness, Amazon Prime Day's coming. It's going to be in a few hours' time, so before you go splashing the cash, make sure that you're not spending over the odds. Now, most retailers, Amazon included, sometimes they've been known to slightly jack the prices before a sale so that when the sale comes, they can reduce it a little bit more and make it look like it's a fantastic deal. Now, a lot of times people can be caught out by that, and in fairness, Amazon generally aren't too bad at that kind of thing, but wouldn't you rather know if that was the case or not? So what we're going to do today is we're going to install a tool from the people over at www.camelcamel.com, and we're going to get wise with the wise camels, and we're going to see if we're spending too much on our products. So let's go to the computer and I'll show you how to install it and how to use the add-on. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to open up your Google browser, and this works with Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. And there's two ways of doing it. You can go to www.camel.com. camel.com, hit enter, and this will take you to the main site. This is camelcamel.com, or the three camels as I'm going to call it from now on, I think. And basically they show you listings for Amazon, save-ins, all that kind of stuff, and it also does tracking. So let's show you the tracking. So if we go into tools and browser add-ons, and you've got the option to add to Google Chrome or add to Mozilla Firefox. So we're going to go ahead and add it to Chrome. It's available from the Chrome web store, so you've got nothing to worry about. It's completely genuine and trusted by literally hundreds of thousands of users. So let's click on there, add to Chrome, and basically it tells you that it can read and change all your Amazon.com sites and Camel sites and read your browsing history. But well, you haven't got a lot of choice if you want to add it, so click on add extension. And now you'll notice in the top right hand corner, we've got the Camelizer. So this has access. So this gives you a brief introduction. Welcome to the Camelizer. When you browse to a product page at any supported retailer, the camel icon in the toolbar will be enabled, as it is there and over there. Click on the camel icon and you'll gain immediate insight into the pricing trends for the product that you're looking at or product in question. You can even sign up for price drop alerts via email and or Twitter. Now, the supported retailers are Amazon in the US, the UK, Deutschland, France, Japan, Canada, not sure what the other one is, not sure, Italy and Spain. Do you know what CA and CN, what's CA and CN? Kath, any ideas?
CA's Canada.
CA's Canada, CN, China, maybe? Maybe, we'll call it China for all intents and purposes. Anyway, so if we go to Amazon UK now, and we'll type in a product, so something which is going to be relatively popular, so maybe a Ryzen 2200G. So let's type in 2200G, and let's look at the first one on the list. So Ryzen 3 2200G. The price at the moment, this is before the sale, is £76.28, free delivery for Prime members, so we'll hit that. And we can see that previously there's been other sellers, third-party sellers, selling for £69.99. Possibly a little bit of postage, but what we can do now, if we click on the Camelizer, now it's going to download all the previous data. So in this graph we can see all the trending prices. So as you can see, at this peak we were looking at just over £100 or $100, the pounds that is actually, yeah, because we put it our locale as being the UK. So you can see here in our price types you've got Amazon prices in green, third party new in blue, and third party used in red. So if you want to, you can trim that down. If you just want to buy from Amazon directly, you can trim that right down and you can see what the lowest price is. So at the moment you can see 76.23 isn't actually the lowest price. The lowest price we had was actually a couple of days ago, where it was July the 11th, and it was 75.26 from Amazon. Yeah, so basically there's all the information. If, for instance, now say there is Prime Day tomorrow and you want to get an email if that's dropped below a certain threshold, so let's say, for instance, maybe from Amazon, you think that your threshold price is going to be £65. So you put £65 in there and create price watches, and there we go. That's done. And if you want to remove the price watch, all you do is click on the delete button and that'll get rid of it. So now, because I've signed in using my Google account with this, It knows my email address, so when there is an alert or when Amazon gets to below that threshold price, I'll get an email come in. So I'll be one of the first, hopefully, to get in there and grab that bargain. So let's try another example of an Amazon price or something we could buy off Amazon. So let's try a Lumix G7 camera. These are the sort of things that do fluctuate quite a bit. So if we look at the that's the Amazon Choice one, so let's take a look at that one. So that's already slightly lower than the previous prices. So again, if we click on the Camels, and there you can see, so this camera has actually been on sale previously, not actually that long ago, which was June the 20th for £449. So there we go, possibly a case of Amazon maybe artificially inflating the price, ready for tomorrow's sale. So it'd be interesting to see tomorrow if that actually does drop back down to the 449, which it actually has been previously, which actually is a pretty decent drop. But again, it could be them trying to catch you out because they've given you £50 off when really they've only put the price up by £50 in the last, well, at least a month. So there we go, there is camel.com, a super handy website and also a add-in for your browser to see if you're going to be getting the best deals possible on Amazon Prime Day, or for any other day for that matter. So there you go, there is camel.com and that fantastic add-in which you can use with your browser. So if you hopefully want to save a few of these and you don't want to get the hump, camel hump? No, don't worry, I'll get my coat. If you don't want to get the hump, then do check the prices, make sure you're getting the best deal possible. You can check the prices for as long as there's been history of on Amazon. And again, I use this tool on a regular basis and it often saves me lots and lots of money. So hopefully this video has been useful for you. If it has, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and hit the notification button and choose all notifications to be notified as soon as we release a video. So I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll be catching you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.